عيد بتاعته no وعيد بتاعي يا أبو أربعين أوقات ما عيد بتاعته واقف فرقو قاردينوسا واكل تقنا خلاص
واقف طبعا المهي قاعد دشة
وعدوب أنت
المهي قاعد دشة
وعدوب أنت ويكاب بحذي
هذا الكاس هذا الماء
وكاد وي بحذي وي بحذي
محابك الفيديو كادو دونا بليش
على تعال وين دعذي
Is this the way you wanted to get a house? You're not gonna get a house that way. If you want to move out, you can move out. You're a benefit cheater.
waxaad doonta iska sheeg soco
You're a benefit cheater. You're a thief. You're a thief. Because you're locking the kids outside. You're locking my kids inside of the house. Ahmed. Last time you sneaking
yarow soo bax
without
soo dhaqaaq waa ku soo shubanay way ka duubantaa soo dhaqaaq
Did you sleep the house without a light? You sleep the house in the house? This lady, she's a benefit creature. She's a cheater. This lady, she's animal. This lady, she's a big thief. She's a thief. She's a benefit cheater. Benefit cheater. This lady.
hello my brother did you see him when he was kicking me in this street because he wasn't here
Me, I can't see.
okay
Oh,
no
thank
problem.
you. Thank God for that. Thank
It's
God
okay,
for
it's
that.
okay.
She's a liar.
Another guy
She's a
saw him.
completely liar, man.
You can't see there. Okay, no problem. No problem.
She's a liar. You cannot get nothing of it.
No
I love
problem.
my kids. I want to work hard.
It's
I'm
adeeg
gonna
ku
look
taal.
after them.
Adeeg ku
I
taal.
want to give them what they want.
Gurigan kaaga soo tagna banaanka noo soo dabaraacdo waa na daba taaganta.
No. I'm going to work. I want to work.
Okay.
I'm a working man.
Okay.
You want to be on benefit? You cannot be on benefit.
Okay.
Because my kids have been starved for
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hey baby, were you going to someone else's house? No, that's not your house. Hey, that's not your house. That's not your house. Don't go because your house, there's no food in your house. You're going to someone else's house to eat. No.
Come on.
I'm going to Farhid.
Yeah, don't worry, he will go.
I'm going to Farhid's house.
Okay.
بس كده انه
Soo soco.
Mama, please no.
But I'm working man.
Mama, please no.
Okay.
I've got a job.
I can see you.
What more could
You're a company man.
I have a wife. I don't want you anymore. This is my kids and I'm gonna support my kids.